Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video we are going to be cleaning the LTZ 400. I just took it out on some trails, so the quad is really dirty. And we're going to first be hitting it with the pressure washer, and then we're going to spray some soap, like a foam cannon on it, let it sit for a little bit, spray that off, and then get to like scrubbing in the spots that we can't get with the pressure washer. Here is the before of the Suzuki LTZ before I get to wash it. As you can see, the engine is really dirty. There's just mud everywhere. North bars are just covered in mud. Wheels need cleaned. Can use a really good clean. I haven't mentioned in any other video that this back tail light's broken, so before I sell it, I'm gonna replace that. But I'm just going to be pressure washing it and scrubbing it down. So, roll the time lapse. So I just got done power washing it, and as you can tell, it looks a lot better. All the mud is pretty much off. Now I'm going to spray some foam on it and let it sit so it can get on all the small spots, but it's already looking a lot better. So we are going to spray it down with the foam and then start scrubbing it, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with that. I begin to 3, 2, 1.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this. I'm hoping to do a video on the carb rebuild for the Suzuki LTZ. I think it turned out amazing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.